if Clark Kent could do it, then so can I, okay? You know, I just wanted to put on my Twitters frames because I got like my nails. Anyway, so this video is really for all the girlies who want to start doing structured manicures. This video is for the girlies who want to know how to do their nails. It's when you wrap your nails or you do an overlay, a gel overlay. It's a hard gel on your natural nails and it helps them to grow. So let me tell you, I wish I had pictures of it, but it was just so shameful that it's like, I don't even know if this thing gonna work. Why would I take pictures? But I definitely should have because my nail beds are really short. My nails always look like a child is biting at them, and I never chewed my nails. I would just always make sure to cut them down very low because they were always thin and flaking and brittle. So I do a lot of typing for work and I am a housewife now, so I have a lot of wares to wash, clothes to wash, beds to make, and those things do not like have a good impression on your nails. They do not just, they don't have like a good relationship with nails. So at least not my nails. I know some people who do it and their nails are fine, their nails are very strong. I was never that type of person and I'm suffering. Okay, so this has really been a saving grace for me, and I always felt really shame looking down at my nails sometimes my cuticle what's this thing here would be like ripped up, bleeding, swollen, infection because my fingers were just so dry. So in addition to encouraging people to do the gel overlay for themselves, it's also important to remember, ladies, that we need to moisturize our hands. Be kind to your hands, okay? We don't want our faces and our neck and our decolletage to be moisturized and young looking forever, and our hands are just toe up. All right, I'm really speaking to myself, okay? So don't judge me, and make sure to seal that moisture in with some oil. I love my Dr. Tears. I also love my Vaseline. Go ahead and slug them hands before you go and sleep. It's like your own little self-care. Just make sure and rub down your hands, rub down your feet, and put some socks on. But in any case, I don't want to ramble on too much before I get into the tips. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you need, the bare minimum, bare bones minimum, to do your own builder gel at home. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you like my content and you want to see more of me, like I want to see more of you, okay? See ya. When you're doing builder gel, you're gonna need the actual bio builder gel. I use the one from Mia Secrets. This one is in the color Cover Nude. It's actually a really kind of cute pink color, and I think you can use this by itself. Like if you can just apply this to your nails in a nice way that you get full coverage, and then put a clear glossy nail polish or gel polish over it, I think it's perfect. So I think it's also good if you want to do things like French tips or you know those minimalist art on your nails. This is really good. There's the clear version as well, like perfectly clear, and there are other colors like cover pink and whatever else. This is the first one I've used. This is the only one I've used, and I quite like the color. I like the consistency. Is very workable. You don't have to be a professional to use this. It comes out like the gel polish, and then you can use it to build up. That's one. The next one is this Mia Secret Extra Bond for acrylic and UV gels. This is like a primer. It dries out your nail and it helps for the gel to adhere to your nail. All right, so this is important. If you want your nails to last a long time, this is of a watery consistency and it dries down really quickly. When you apply it to your nails, there's no need for you to cure this. It's just for you to dry out your nail bed. Next up is this luxury base and top gel. Honestly, I don't know the difference between the both of them. This is a glass gel finish. I don't know if this is more glossy, um, but I think the both of them, like if I didn't have this one, I can do top and base coat with this one. But this one has a glassy finish. It's supposed to, I haven't noticed that it's any more glassy than any other one, but that's the promise. So these are the two Mia Secret products that I use in addition. I don't think next time that I'll be getting this, I probably have to see something very amazing about this one to go back with that. All right, so that's the end of that those are the base products. When you're doing gel, you want to always have a bottle of rubbing alcohol because it serves as a slip layer. It helps to remove any excess gel. It helps to clean off your brushes and your cuticle area. Any gel that ran into anywhere, you just remove it with the alcohol. You also want to have acetone, but that's for soaking off your nails. For now, I have not soaked off my nails. I have been doing this since July. I'm not soaked off my nails yet, okay? And they're fine. It grows out. You're gonna be filing, and eventually the old gel is gonna reach the end, and it depends on how, I mean, you're not gonna grow your nails out forever, right? Okay, so next up is tools. What are some of the basic tools that we need? I don't know why I brought that bag here first because I'm going to be showing you something that's not in the bag, which is my Melody Susie. This is a rechargeable e-file. So as you can see, there's no cord connected. It charges up. It has three simple buttons. One is to start it. You can also pause it. You raise the speed or lower the speed using this. I only go up to speed 10. I don't want to dig out my my nail bed or my skin, so I go very gently. You hold down the button and it comes on, then you dial up to whatever level you want. As you can see, I'm on level 7 here, and you can pause it. I have not seen this timeout yet. I think you can pause it up to 30 minutes, but I don't know how long actually, because like once I press pause, I rest it down, and sometimes I forgot that it's even on pause and it's still on, just holding that setting there for me. So to take it off, you hold back down the button. And for me, I feel like this is such a good drill for people like me. You want to walk around, you want to move around the place. You can continue doing your nails. I might want to do some of it in the bedroom, some of it in the living room. I'm not connected, and it works really good. So I definitely recommend this Melody Susie e-file. If you don't have an e-file, you can still do your nails. You just have to use a regular file, okay? This is Mia Secret as well. Now, Mia Secret products are for professional use, but they are also good for people who are beginners, right? So you would just have a lot more work to do, because take for instance, when I'm changing the color of my nails or I'm doing like a refill of the gel, I don't soak it off. I just go in with my e-file and I take down majority of the bulk, and then I may go in with the file to smoothen out and even out some areas. Then you want this file for shaping the sides of your nail and the tip of your nail, etc. You also want a buffer. This is an ugly duckling buffer. I don't know if that's important, but I think it's the best buffer I've ever had. I don't know if it's because it's ugly duckling or if it's because ugly duckling is a professional brand as well. Then you want a little brush to brush off your nails. You don't want your dust going back into any of your gel products, so you definitely want to make sure that your nails are clean. I have this brush that my friend made for me. She didn't make it from scratch. She made it out of another brush that was fuller, and I use this to do some nail art. So if you see the video that I did this nail art with, then you'll see I did use it for some of the small application of the black, etc. So just any brush, but you can get like brush sets on Amazon. I had one from Beetles, but when I had it, I wasn't really good at gel. I'll explain that in another video. Then of course you're going to need your gel polishes. So I just have 3 of mine here. I bought a set from what is these people, Beetles. They had like 24 gel nail polish. If you live in Trinidad and Tobago, then I recommend that you do not purchase any Beetles nail polish from Amazon and bring it through customs, because it's going to charge you £1 and a crown because of the fact that it's a hazardous, quote unquote, hazardous chemical. So don't bring this in. The bottles are really small. I was charged upwards almost $500 TT to clear this very small package, and the price was about less than $35 US for the actual product. So it really was not making sense, the amount of money I was charged. But this is the 3 colors that I used on my nails to achieve this look, in addition to this black from Chelly. So Chelly sells at Pennywise. If you're a Trinidadian or Tobagonian, you can get Chelly nail polish at Pennywise. It's $20. The only problem with Chelly is that they don't have a wide range of colors. So Yeah, that sucks. But $20 for a gel polish, and look at the size of the bottle, and it works really well. It dries perfectly. There's no problem with Chelly, except the fact that they are not available. Chelly, I don't know who you are or where you are, but do better, okay? So when I originally bought these lint-free wipes, I did not buy them for doing anything with nails. In fact, I had not been doing anything with nails at that point in time. I bought them for doing like brow procedures or whatever. Did you ever notice that when you use cotton wipes or like napkins or tissues on your face or on your nails or whatever, it leaves residue? These do not, and it's like a million. Like you just want to use one of these thin things and clean your nails off or whatever. It leaves no residue. It's perfect and it's cheap. You get them on Temu. You get like 1,000 for whatever. I don't know. Check it out. Oh, I forgot to mention that these come with the drill, the different bits. This one is a specialty one that you can go into your cuticle with. When I say go into your cuticle, it's actually made for use on your skin. So it's not going to cut you or nick you. It's made for you to push back the cuticle. So you're not going to end up with any cuts. You can buy this at any beauty supply. What the hell? You can buy this at any beauty supply store for maybe like $20, whatever. I'm talking TT. I paid what? Maybe $40, if so much, for this. But it's a useful tool. And a dapping dish is also a good asset. If you don't have a dapping dish, then you can use any small container or even the cover of like the rubbing alcohol or the acetone to do your dipping. You want to be able to dip your little tools into the, so if you use, this is like an applicator tool, but if you have like Q-tips or micro pore, I don't remember what you call them, the little ones, you can use them, dip them in and clean up your nails, clean up whatever. It's very convenient. Finally, one of the most important components to doing your gel nails is a UV lamp. You don't have to spend a pound and a crown on a UV lamp. This is a sun UV lamp. I got this from Brand Source. This is a Trinidadian outlet that sells a lot of beauty products and supplies and equipment, but this can also be found on Amazon for a quite a reasonable price. I think it's between $20 to $35 as well for this. It's not for professional use, so it means that it's not going to be able to handle like high traffic. But for the average homeowner or the average domestic user using it once every 2 to 3 weeks or so, I think that's good. It has a really good heat. It cures your nails in no time. It has not left my nails wet or anything. I had one before that was not good. That's why I said I wasn't so good at gel nails before, because I didn't have a good lamp. Then you have the flash cure. This one is not automatic. I have to press it on and off, which I do like. I like that it's tactile and it feels firm. Sometimes when you, with the sensor ones, you have to like be moving your hands about. This one is good. It stays on for a minute. And this is for, I don't use it for a minute. I use it just to flash cure. So like if I'm doing, I'm adding colors to a nail, I just cure it quickly in between for maybe 10 seconds and come back out. So I think this basically is all that you need as a beginner. And this is basically all that you need as a beginner when it comes to doing your nails. You don't need to do all the blooming gels and all the different blah blah blah. Oh, finally, I forgot to show you this. If you have short nails and you do want an extension, you can get one of these. Now the problem for me with these, with just gel nail polish by itself, is that they were soft. They were soft. They were bending. They were breaking. But with the builder gel, because it's hard and it's almost like acrylic in terms of how it feels, you can definitely use this, add the builder gel on top, and be sure that you have like a strong set of nails on your hands. So like my thumbnail and my first fingernail, they broke and I had to make a prosthetic, make a little fakey fake, right? So that is basically it. But you can start like me from scratch with like knobs and build your way up. I guess that's the that's the um that's the irony. It's build a gel to build your nails. Yeah, like construction type things. Okay, anyway, I'm tired, I'm sleepy. It's like after 10 or something. No, it's not after 10, it's after 11 minutes to 12. and I am over 30 now. I should never be up this late. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my content, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer it in the comments below. Love you guys. See you later. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.